Hi, everyone. This is Simple Politics with Kim Wehle. Just wanted to give you a review of this decision out of the Supreme Court relating to Donald Trump's tax returns and what that means. People have been asking me. So, Cyrus Vance, who is the Manhattan District Attorney for the city of Manhattan, issued a subpoena to the Trump Organization's accounting firm, wanting 8 years of tax returns. The Trump team challenged that and said, "Listen, I am president. You can't get near anything I've ever touched in my life." Essentially, tried to sort of bring this sweeping argument of immunity to protect the accounting firm from responding to the grand jury subpoena. The Supreme Court said, no, there's no such thing as that kind of sweeping presidential immunity. But if you want Team Trump, you can go make regular objections like any person. So they went back. The lower courts rejected those because the subpoena was legitimate. It wasn't overburdensome or overbroad, all that kind of stuff. The lower court said you have to comply. In October, Trump went to the Supreme Court and said, we need your emergency help to come in and stop execution of this lower court decision. And the Supreme Court sat on it for 4 months, didn't do anything. And today, in a one liner, said, sorry, we're not going to take up Trump's objection here. What does this mean? It means that the grand jury subpoenas will be enforced, that the Mazars Group, which is his accounting firm, is going to have to turn over his tax returns. Why is that important? Well, it looks like one of the things that New York is investigating is whether Trump lied on his tax returns and basically undervalued his property. So, for example, if a property is worth $100 million, making numbers up, and he put on his tax returns to New York that it was only worth $30 million, so he paid taxes on a $30 million property, there's a big tax gap there that could put Trump and the Trump Organization in criminal liability for failure to pay that. So what does this mean? It's not going to become public because the grand jury stuff is secret unless it winds up in a trial down the road, but it could be the missing piece potentially to make a criminal case against Donald Trump for tax or bank fraud. This is Simple Politics with Kim Whaley. Thanks.